now today let's start with chapter number first, the solar system. In this chapter, I will tell you about the sun and the different planet that revolves around the sun. Now I will tell you about what is moon, constellation, solar system, satellite, asteroid, meteors, and galaxy and universe. Let's start with the chapter now. Now in a clear night, when the night is clear, when you look up in the sky, what you see? We study countless tiny objects called stars, and these tiny twinkling objects, what they are known as star, and the sun is also a star. The sun, the moon, the meteoroids, the comets, asteroids, they all appear in the sky along with stars. These all are collectively known as celestial body. इनको collectively क्या बोला जाता है? They are collectively known as celestial body, and there from this word celestial derived from. It has been derived from Latin word that is celestialis, which means sky. The ancient people जो थे, जो हमारे पुराने लोग थे, what they gave the name of heaven to the sky. What they gave? Heaven को क्या नाम दिया? Sky का नाम दिया. And the different objects like moon, star, asteroids, comets, what they are called? They are called heavenly bodies. Our earth is also a heavenly or celestial body, but have you ever thought where the earth is exactly located? क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि जो अर्थ है, where it is exactly located? During the day, if we talk about daytime, the sun is the only natural object that appears in the sky. Sun क्या है? आपका natural object है that is seen in the sky, except occasional clouds, birds, and some man-made things like aeroplane. At night, what we see thousands of stars twinkling in the sky and as well as the moon. Then we had moon. What is moon? Moon is the only natural satellite. ये क्या है? ये अपनी खाली natural satellite है अर्थ की, जो revolve करती है around the earth. इसका diameter कितना है? 3,480, and the reflected light of the sun from the moon reaches the earth's surface in about 1.3 seconds. And the light is not possible on the moon. Why? Because there is no availability, absence है atmosphere का और moisture का. Why there is light not possible? Because of the absence of atmosphere and moisture. It rotates on its axis in the same period of time as it takes to travel around the earth. So same face is always turned towards the earth. हमेशा आप देखोगे कि जो same face है वो ही आपके क्या होता है, earth के toward होता है. There are different phases of moon. कभी आपको पूरा moon दिखाई देता है, full moon, कभी new moon, crescent moon and gibbous moon. These are the different phases of moon. We always see the same side of the moon as it rotates around the earth. हमें हमेशा same side दिखाई देती है because it rotates around the earth and it wobbles, giving a glimpse of some of its features around the edges of hidden side. Because of this wobble, we can see around 59% of the moon surface from the earth. हमें 59% moon surface दिखाई देती है earth से. Now new moon. When the moon is between earth and sun. देखो जब आपका moon earth और sun के बीच में, when your moon is between the earth and sun, the moon which faces the earth is in complete darkness. और उस phase of moon को क्या बोला जाता है? New moon. Then we have full moon. Once in a month आप देखते हैं कि जो moon है वो full light show करता है. क्या दिखता है? Full light its surface दिखाई देता है. And this phase of the moon is known as full moon. इस time को क्या कहा जाता है? Full moon बोला जाता है. These are the different phases of moon that have been shown in this image. Now we will see that there are heavenly bodies that shine by producing their own light. There are millions of stars in space, but the closest star to the earth is the sun. लेकिन जो closest star है वो क्या है? आपका sun है. And the distance in space, which are very vast, are measured in light year, and the distance traveled by light in one is called light year. जो भी distance travel कर रहा है light, एक year में उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Light year. This measures is used as sunlight travels very fast, covering lot of distance at the speed of 300 km per second. और ये कितना time लेता है? It takes about 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the earth. Start they are found in cluster, और जब ये cluster में found होते हैं तो हमें क्या, इन्हें क्या कहलाता है? Galaxy. And our sun belongs to galaxy called Milky Way galaxy. और जो हमारी जो सन है वो किसको बिलोंग करता है? It belongs to our galaxy which is known as Milky Way galaxy. इसको हम आकाश गंगा भी बोलते हैं. Then we have Ganga, and the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to contain something like 1 lakh million stars. Star क्या है? They are clustered together in groups or constellation, और इनके different shapes हमें देखने को मिलते हैं in the shape of scorpion और सिस्म, मतलब जो स्वान होता है उस शेप में होता है. Then our universe probably originated 2000 crore years. Scientists think that nebula, a swirling cloud of cosmic dust and gases, and it broke up into different area of gases. What happened? It's collapsed under the gravity to form planet. क्या हुआ? ये collapse करा under a gravity और इन्होंने क्या form करा? They form planets. Now about 7,000 stars could be seen around from the earth with naked eye, yet 2,000 stars can be seen at one time. आप एक ही टाइम पे 2,000 stars तक देख सकते हैं. Then we have how far away are stars. Stars are very far away from us. If we talk about the nearest star of the earth is our sun. जो सबसे nearest star है हमारे अर्थ का वो sun है, and which is 152 million kilometer above. जो ब्रिलियंट डिस्क है आपकी सन की, सेम फ्रॉम द अर्थ, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? जो अर्थ से दिखाई देती है उसको हम फोटोस्फीयर कहते हैं. एंड द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द सन, सरफेस ऑफ द सन इज, जो टेम्परेचर है वो कितना है? वो 6000 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. एंड द सेंटर ऑफ द सन इज एट द 1,50,00,000 crore Celsius. In fact, the sun, our star, is the ordinary and medium-sized star. There are millions of stars far bigger and brighter than sun. देखो बहुत सारे stars हैं, millions of stars हैं, which are far away and brighter than the sun. And we must have seen that all objects look smaller when we see a distance. Like अगर आप aeroplane देखते हो when you are flying at the great height, तो नीचे आपका सतह बहुत vast. Then we have planets. If you watch the sky, अगर आप sky को watch करते हैं for an hour or more at night or watch it around at the same time or different night, you will find that stars change their position. अगर आप क्या करोगे, अगर आप देखते रहेंगे स्काई में, तो आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे जो स्टार्स हैं what they are changing their position. टाइम टू टाइम क्या हो रहा है? वो अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज कर रहे हैं. वो ऐसे लगता है कि they appear to move around the earth. वो क्या कर रहे हैं? मूव कर रहे हैं around the earth from east to west, arriving in the east and setting in the west. If you observe carefully, you will find that the relative position. If we talk about the relative position, do not change except for relative position of the 5 stars, like object जो आपको visible होते हैं naked eyes से and which travel through the sky without twinkling. What they are known as? They are known as wanderers or the planets. The word planets come from Greek word, जिसका नाम है planetai, जिसका मतलब क्या होता है? Which means wanderer. Planets do not have their own heat and light. Planets do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of star. इनकी अपनी heat और light नहीं होती. They are lit by the light of star. And the earth on which we live is the planet. देखो जहाँ पे हम रह रहे हैं, जिस planet पे हम रह रहे हैं वो क्या है? Earth. And it gets all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. If we look at the earth from the great distance, अगर आप अर्थ को देखते हैं great distance से, तो what happen from space? It will appear the shining. जैसे आपका moon shine कर रहा है, तो आपको shiny दिखता है. But like our earth, there are 7 other planets and 3 Plutons, means dark planet that get heat and light from sun. जो किससे ले रहे हैं heat और light? sun से. Let us view the difference between star and planet. कि star और planet में क्या difference है? Let's study about the difference. Now there are millions of stars. If we talk about planets, there are 8 planets and 3 Plutons. Means 8 क्या है आपके 3 क्या है? Dwarf planet. और star कितने हैं? There are millions of stars. Stars twinkles but planets do not twinkle. Stars do not change their relative position in the sky every day. But if we talk about planets, what do planets do? They change their position. वो अपनी पोजीशन को टाइम टू टाइम चेंज करते हैं. Stars are very hot. If we talk about stars, they are very hot. And the temperature of the planets, it depends upon the relative distance from the sun and they receive heat from the sun. क्योंकि ये किससे heat receive कर रहे हैं? Sun से heat receive कर. Stars are very large, but if we talk about planets, they are not as large as the stars. Stars emit their own light, but planets, they reflect the light which they receive from the sun. Planets are made up of hot burning gases. और जो stars है, they are made up of hot burning gases. If we talk about planets, what are these? Either they are solid material or cool gases. Now we have solar system. Word solar comes from sol, Latin word for the sun. Now the sun and the 8 planets and 3 Pluton means dwarf planet, asteroids, satellites and meteoroids. What they make? They make up the solar system. Now first is sun. The sun is it at the center of the solar system and is head of the solar family. It's huge and it's made up of extremely hot burning gases. What it provides? It provides pulling force that binds the solar system. And the sun, what it is the ultimate source of heat and light. And the temperature of the surface of sun is 6000 degrees Celsius. जो क्या होता है? Increase करता है 20 million degrees Celsius to the interior, right? Then, but the great heat is not felt so much to us because it is about 150 kilometer away from the earth. The diameter है वो 100 times है अर्थ के, and the sun is 3 lakh times the weight of earth. अर्थ क्या है? sun जो है जितना अर्थ का weight है उसका 3 times, 3 lakh times. The sun is the also star. It is a medium sized star. It looks so big because it is closest star. वो बहुत बड़ा दिखाई देता है क्योंकि वो क्या है? Closest star है. And the sunlight travels at the speed of about 3 lakh kilometer per second. And even the speed it takes about 8 minutes to reach the. कितना लेता है? 8 minutes लेता है. The star nearest to the sun is Proxima Centauri. It is at distance at the expressed as distance in light year. 1 light year is equals to the distance which light travels in year. कि 1 light year कहता है जितना distance light travel कर रहा, and the light travels a distance of about 95,000 billion kilometer. और जो Proxima Centauri है वो कितनी है? It is more than 4.24 light years away from sun. Then we have planets in the solar system. Celestial bodies, they do not have their own light and go around the sun in near circular orbit less than 200 years. It's called flat. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order to their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And all these 8 planets, they move around the sun in a fixed path. Okay? They are elongated, elliptical, oval shape, near circular, and they are called orbit. जो period of revolution है वो क्या है? Less than 200 years. Now, earlier जो प्लूटो था वो क्या था? 9th planet था सोलर सिस्टम का, but under a new definition of planet it ceased to be a. अब इसको क्या माना जाता है? इसको dwarf planet माना जाता है. Now there are 3 Plutons, मतलब dwarf planet जो revolve करते हैं like Pluto, Ceres and Zill. What are these? These are 3 dwarf planets. Planets are placed at different distances from the sun, so they do not collide against each other while going around the sun. और जो फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी है वो उनको होल्ड रखती है एक रेगुलर पाथ में अराउंड द सन. एंड द प्लैनेट हैव डिफरेंट मास एंड वेट. इनका डिफरेंट मास होता है, डिफरेंट वेट होता है. लाइक प्लैनेट क्लोजर टू द सन आर मर्करी, वीनस, अर्थ एंड मार्स. व्हाट आर दे? दे आर रॉक. ठीक है, रॉक से बने हैं. एंड द फादर्स को जुपिटर, सैटर्न, वीनस, नेपट्यून, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ कूल गैसेस. एंड दे टेक डिफरेंट टाइम टू मेक वन कंप्लीट राउंड ऑफ सन. And the orbital movement of the planet around the sun is called revolution. And the planet also spin on their imaginary axis, and the spin of the planet on their axis is called rotation. और जो spin होता है planet का अपने axis को क्या बोला जाता है? Rotation. The distance of planet from the sun is chiefly responsible for the amount of energy received. And Mercury, which is nearest to the sun, is very hot planet. And Neptune जो quietest है वो क्या है? बहुत ठंडा प्लैनेट है. कूलेस्ट क्या है? कूलेस्ट प्लैनेट है सोलर सिस्टम. Like we have placed planets into 2 groups, inner planet and outer planet. If we talk about inner planet, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they are close to the Sun, then the outer planet, and they are made up of rocks and they are called terrestrial planet. Okay? Then we have outer planets, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. They are called gas giant and they're mostly made up of gases and they're very far away from the sun. और ये sun से क्या होते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा दूर होते हैं. Now, first is Mercury, which is the innermost planet, and it is closest to the sun. It is very hot planet और ये luminous planet होता है, इसका yellow color होता है. इसका जो size होता है वो same होता है as the size of the moon. But if we talk about it, ये दिखता देखने में कैसा होता है, छोटा होता है. Then we have Venus. It is wheeled planet which is almost Earth in size and mass, and therefore it is called Earth's twin. ये brightest object है in the sky after the moon, and Venus appears as a evening star for 292 days, and it appears as a morning star for 292 days. ठीक है, 292 days के ईस्टर्न स्काई में वो अपीयर होता है एज अ मॉर्निंग स्टार और वेस्टर्न स्काई में एज अ इवनिंग स्टार. Venus is also a planet except Uranus that rotate east to west about its axis. All other rotate from west to east. Now Earth, it is a blue planet. Why it is known as blue planet? Because 3/4 of the part of the Earth is covered with water. Now, it is also known as planet which has life on it. That is why it is a unique planet. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found on the Earth. जो chief reason है existence of life का Earth का वो क्या है, वो भी आपको बताना चाहिए. Because Earth is neither too hot like Mercury and not too cold like Jupiter. Now, water is found in all three forms, liquid, gas and solid. अगर if we talk about ground level, जो atmosphere है वो substantially जो presence है oxygen का. Now there is also ozone layer of the atmosphere. It does not allow harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun to reach the ground. Life forms on Earth, that is plants and animals, including human beings, survive because the energy emitted by the sun. Now, Earth is fifth largest planet to the solar system in terms of size. It is slightly flattened at the hope, और जो 2/3 surface है वो किससे covered है, water से covered है, and it appears blue from the outer space. और इसलिए ही इसको क्या बोला जाता है, blue planet. Next is Mars, जो आपको red दिखाई देता है. रेड क्यों होता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आयरन रिच सॉइल प्रेजेंट है. इट कैन बी सीन फ्रॉम द अर्थ फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर. इसका डायमीटर स्लाइटली मोर देन हाफ ऑफ द अर्थ है और जो इसका मास है इज ओनली 1/9 ऑफ द अर्थ. If we talk about Jupiter, it is a giant planet and is the largest planet whose mass is more than combined mass. It consists of hydrogen and helium. जो आपका गैसेस फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है, यहाँ पे faint ring around है and it located at the distance 5 times greater than that of the Earth. If we talk about Saturn, ये jewel planet है which is the most beautiful planet because of its ring made up of ice and ice covered dust particles. Then its size and composition, they are similar to Jupiter and it is cooler than Jupiter. थोड़ा ठंडा होता है Jupiter से. Then we have Uranus. Uranus, it is a planet rotating on its sides, look like a rotating chain. It rotates on its axis. और ये कैसे रोटेट करता है, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट रोटेट करता है. और ये आपको थोड़ा ग्रीनिश कलर का दिखाई देगा. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी रिंग्स है, सर्ट का सर्ट हेटलाइट है एंड इट इज अबाउट 4 times द साइज ऑफ सर्ट के साइज के 4 times. Then we have Neptune. It is the large giant and it is quite similar to the Uranus. It is greenish in color and it is also made up of gas and it has grace and it is farthest from the sun and it is very cool. ठंडा है बहुत ज़्यादा. Then we have constellation. Constellation क्या है? Group of bright stars in the sky that form characteristic patterns of shapes and they appear to move together. और इसको क्या बोला जाता है? Constellation बोला जाता है. People of ancient civilization, they attributed figures of animals, person and mathematical beasts to make it easy to remember. कितने constellation है? 88 constellation है and they can be easily identified with naked eye, but one most known about its appearance, how they look like and position where they are found in the sky. Some easily identifiable constellation are Ursa Major, Ursa Minor and Orion. The best known group of stars is Big Dipper और इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, बृहद सप्तऋषि. Big Dipper is a group of 7 bright stars that forms a part of constellation Ursa Major or Great Bear. Along with other faint stars, Big Dipper form figure of bear, hence it is known as Great Bear. इसका क्या नाम दिया है? Great Bear. Ancient times, people used to determine direction during night with the help of star. जो नॉर्थ स्टार होता है, it indicate north direction. एंड इसको क्या कहता है? पोल स्टार. ये अपने सेम पोजीशन पे रहता है एंड वी कैन लोकेट द पोजीशन ऑफ पोल स्टार विद द हेल्प ऑफ सप्तऋषि. हम किससे लोकेट करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ सप्तऋषि. एंड द पोल स्टार इज सीन अलोंग विद द इमेजिनरी एक्सटेंट लाइन जॉइनिंग द फर्स्ट स्टार, जिसे हम बाउल पार्ट और ग्रेट बियर. देन वी हैव लिटिल डिपर. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट मिरर्ड एंड स्मॉलर वर्जन ऑफ द बिग डिपर. ये 7 स्टार कंटेन करता है एंड दे आर यूजुअली विजिबल ड्यूरिंग स्प्रिंग फ्रॉम अदर पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. Then Orion and Calpus, they become visible in winter and star belonging to it appear as hero standing with bow. और उसके हाथ में क्या होता है? फिर उसने एरो पकड़ रखा. Now we have satellites. What are satellites? They are celestial body that moves around the planet in same way as planet move around the sun. All planets except Mercury and Venus, अगर हम बात करें except Mercury and Venus, have one or more satellites. They are the satellite of planet to reflect करते हैं light of sun और ये visible होता है night में. And our Earth has only one satellite. वो क्या है? Moon. Jupiter satellite, that is Ganymede. It is the largest satellite of the solar system. And Earth moon is 6th largest satellite. Earth का जो moon है वो क्या है? 6th largest satellite है आपकी solar system. Natural satellite, that is moon. जो diameter है हमारे moon का वो 1/4 that of Earth. It appears so big because it is near to our planet than other celestial body and it is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. Then जो moon है, वो revolve करता है around the earth in 7 days. Moon revolve करता है in 27 days and 8 hours. It takes exactly that same time as to complete one rotation. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us all the. In fact, moon is always half dark and half bright. लेकिन जो angle of view है आपके अर्थ का वो क्या होता है? Change होता रहता है. Now, on the new moon, the dark hemisphere of the moon faces the earth, whereas on the full moon, its bright hemisphere is visible. कैसा? आपको इसका bright hemisphere क्या होता है? Visible. Then we have human-made satellite. ये क्या है? It's an artificial body. It is designed and fabricated by scientists to gather information. It is carried by a rocket and it is placed in the orbit around the earth and it revolves around the earth just like natural satellite moon. इसको हम artificial satellite भी कहते हैं ताकि insect, iris, EduSat. What are these? These are Indian satellites. Now difference between natural satellite and artificial satellite. What is the difference? Natural satellite, they are comparatively far away from the earth and they're designed and fabricated by the scientists and then sent to space. These are natural placed in our roots and they are placed in the orbit by powerful rocket called SLV. ये naturally present होते हैं space पे. We talk about artificial. These are closer to the earth. Then we have other celestial bodies. What are the other celestial bodies? Like we have asteroids, comets, meteoroids. First we will talk about asteroids. What are these? These are small planet-like body which also move around the sun. जो किसके around move करती है? Sun के around move करती है. And each asteroid possesses its own orbit around the sun. And what are they called as? They are called as planetoids or minor planets. The orbit of all asteroids are spread over a long distance and forming a band called asteroid belt that lies between orbit of Mars and Jupiter. ये एस्ट्रॉइड बेल्ट कहाँ लाई करती है? ये कहाँ लाई करती है? मार्स और जुपिटर के बेल्ट में. Out of over 1 lakh asteroids, nearly 4,000 have been identified, and they are believed to be the part of planet which is exploded soon after its birth. The Earth, the largest of these tiny planets, is Ceres, जिसका diameter कितना है? 768 मीटर. If we talk about comets, they are often described as dirty snowballs. ये क्या होती हैं? Dirty snowballs होती हैं The solid center of the comet consists mostly of ice mixed with sooty material. और जो सेंटर होता है वो क्वाइट स्मॉल होता है, यूजुअली ओनली फ्यू किलोमीटर होता है, and what they revolve around the sun and have a very long period of revolution. We have meteors and neutroids. What are meteors? They are small pieces of rocks which move around the sun, जो sun के around move करते हैं, and meteoroids come near the earth and enter its atmosphere. और वो इसके atmosphere में enter करते हैं. Due to friction with the air, the speeding meteoroids get heated up and burned, and it causes a long flash of light. और जो flash है वो visible होता है night में, and during meteoroids are also called shooting star. जो meteoroids हैं जब वो burn करते हैं तो उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Shooting stars भी कहते हैं. Sometimes a meteor without being completely burned falls on the earth and creates a hollow. और उस meteor को क्या कहते हैं? Meteoroid. Then we have galaxy. We can see a whitish board band like white glowing path across the sky on Pleiades terrena. The cluster of myriad stars, इस बैंड को क्या कहा जाता है? मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. यहाँ पे एक स्प्लिट मिल्क होता है. Our solar system, in part of this galaxy, in ancient time, it was imagined to be pious river of light glowing in the sky, and it is named as Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases, and all gravitational interacting and orbiting about common thing. Galaxies vary in size and form such a spiral, elliptical and irregular. और जो हमारी गैलेक्सी है मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी, वो कैसी है? स्पाइरल है. Now next is universe. We use the word universe to mean everything that exists in space. It is difficult to imagine how big universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it, and there are billions of galaxies that makes the universe. If drawn to scale, our galaxy does not even get point-sized as the universe or the sun. Similar, our solar system does not even get a point size of Milky Way galaxy drawn on scale. So, our Earth hardly gets a point size in our solar system drawn to scale. Now, our chapter has been completed. We will start with the exercise of the chapter now.